It is crazy windy out today from the southeast, so we're just feeding the cows behind the windbreak here, keep them warmer. And I'm hauling grain, I'm hauling oats actually to the elevator, so I don't have my feed wagon. Got my other tractor hooked up to a grain vac that my uncle and cousin own, so I appreciate them allowing me to use that. So I'm dropping a little corn silage down because, like I said, I don't have my feed wagon hooked up because it's on normally on my other tractor, which is not here at the moment. Hooked up to a grain vac. Thought I'd come out here and show you the corn silage so you know what I'm feeding here. It's like in the pile. I don't know, it's packed pretty good, so here's corn right there. I don't know if you've seen that. That's what it looks like. Chopped up corn. Here's a corn kernel. So yeah, this is what I feed in the mixer wagon. The mixer wagon ain't here, I'm giving all the cows, the bulls, and I got some calves and some cull cows that I'm feeding. The cull cows are my cows that are either old or open, so we're gonna market them because they don't do no good on the farm here. So this is last year's pile, corn silage. I did cover it with, it's a byproduct of the ethanol plant. It's a syrup of some kind, yellow in color, and it's supposed to replace like covering with a plastic tarp. And I don't know if you look, you can see the spoilage. It's not very much. It actually did a pretty good job, I have to say. This is a year-old pile, like I said, so I'm satisfied. Well, the bulls are enjoying their corn silage lunch. Well, you can tell how windy it is. It's, I think, 24-mile-an-hour wind. I just looked. It's 10 degrees Fahrenheit, and it says it's minus 11 feel-like temperature. It's pretty cold, but we're gonna give all my animals some corn silage today. It's a little energy for this cold weather. And you can tell when I drop it out of the bucket here how strong the wind is. It just blows to the side. But anyway, these are our calves that we're feeding. They're mostly replacement heifers. I do have some light calves in here that we didn't sell that we're just feeding. And now I'll just go to this next corral here where we got some cull cows. Cows we're going to market here shortly, probably within a month. Well, here these cows are, and you see some Holsteins in there. That's some Holstein steers we're also feeding. Fatten up.
windy out. It's hard to get a nice even bed of straw, but at least they'll have some bedding. It's terribly cold. Well, I'm gonna go feed cows again today, and I got something new for Christmas from my wife. I got a drone, so I'm gonna try to fly that a little bit today. It's pretty windy. You can pick up here, maybe it's too windy for you guys to hear, but whoop, I guess I hit the doggy with the door. But anyhow, like I said, I got a drone for Christmas, so I'm gonna try to fly it today. It's pretty windy out, but we'll see what happens. Well, I didn't get to fly the drone very long. Too windy out, and I didn't realize it, but the cows, they kind of spook from that. So I decided that wasn't a good idea. I didn't want to wreck it. Only my second time I've flown it, and I'm a beginner, so I got a lot of learning to do. But anyway, folks, I got a lot of things coming up. We might have some early calves in a month, and hopefully I can get that drone up and get some good footage. So thanks again for watching. We'll see ya.